Hello and welcome back to this second part of our learning management system tutorial. In the last one I showed you how to assign somebody directly to the record item that represents the SCORM compliant content. But very often you would like to have the content as part of a curriculum so that everybody who is then scheduled on such a class will automatically be registered for that training. And that is what I want to show you in this little session. So the first thing is we go to the product side and we open the, let's say, this human factors training, and we open this first event. Here we go to the record items tab and we select our SCORM compliant content. We move it over and we go directly to the grading page. We have to select it here and say it is the student who receives it. It's the student who receives it by the system automatically. But then now there's something else very important. Make a right mouse click here and select Edit Grading Item Availability, because probably you want to give the student some days before the training starts in the classroom to perform this computer-based training at home, for example. So let's say we say 30 days before the start of the event, he will be registered for this training. That's what we do here in this with this dialog. Click on OK and we save the product. Now we schedule the product on the min page. That's pretty easy. So we go to New, Request in Kiel Human Factors. And we call it HF01 2016 this year. And let's assume we want to start it November 22nd. We don't need the time frame here. That's not necessary at the moment. So we just click on OK. And now we create a project. We schedule that. There's no eligibility, so we schedule it, but we don't assign resources. We don't need an instructor for this presentation. The only person we need here is a student. So let's say in this example, we take A&P mechanic number 4 as a student. We assign him to this scheduled class. And that it depends a little bit on the configuration of your system. Normally every 15 minutes, the system checks if they are pending items, and then the system automatically gives this A&P mechanic the respective record item. So let's wait this 15 minutes. Now let's see if the system assigned the record item to this A&P mechanic. You can see he received it. So this is the difference between this use case and the use case in my last video. Now this is done automatically from the system. The rest is the same as in my first video. So AP mechanic number 4 goes into the web portal. In this case, he uses this browser. He goes to the web-based training, and you can see he is assigned because he is in this period of 30 days before the class starts. Now, this mechanic 4 is in the web portal for the first time, and you don't see any column here that allows you to open that computer-based training. In this case, you click here and you have to activate this column because that gives you this hyperlink to start the training. Right? That's an important thing that you have to remember. The next time this user goes in, he will see this column available, so he has to do that only for the first time. The rest is exactly as in our first video. I hope you understood this. Thank you.